Hi, good day. Today we are going to look at this generator. It's we notice that whenever we start it, it's a petrol generator. Whenever we start it, it has some shooting sound and sometimes produces smoke. All right, having seen this, we just want to try to identify what is wrong with the gen. Now, what is wrong with the gen is there are about three things that can be wrong with this gen. One, the petrol might, for the white smoke, the petrol might be running rich. By that I mean so much fuel from the carburetor entering into the combustion chamber. But when we isolate that because of the shooting, then we will also suspect that if we can see here, we can see that the combustion cylinder here, maybe the gasket there is bad. But let's remove the tank first. Let's remove the tank. By the time we remove the tank, we'll be able to know what is really wrong with the gen, and then we can see. That fault will normally be oil leakage into the piston area of the crankcase. So just fix up this. And whenever you're losing a gen, always have one thing in mind. Depending on where you're working, make sure you can easily keep the nuts where you can access them. Like, this is a grassy place. The tank off. Yeah, we'll just slide out the tank quietly. Before you slide out the tank, you can come here and see. This is the fuel pump. Make sure you off the fuel pump, and then you remove the fuel hose. And then this doesn't go up. You just slide it, just raise it up a bit, and slide it out quietly, gently. Now we can drop this carefully. Be careful of this, because if you hit it at the right place, now we can come back. Let's now have a simple look at the cylinder. Now this is where we need to work. In order to get here, we need to lose this. You need to lose this, so we'll do that. Okay, so we'll lose this. Now the next thing we're going to lose is let's remove the exhaust. Wow, this is okay, so let's remove the exhaust, because we need to remove the exhaust so that we can access the okay. Wow. So having lost this, now let's come here. Let's remove the air filter. I'm trying to even as it is, since I'm not necessarily working on the carburetor. Let me not lose the carburetor in pieces. Let me just leave it like this and then come here and lose the. Let me lose this OHV. Okay, let's get the. Okay, so simply now we'll try to assess. We're trying to assess this knot. Let's try to assess this knot. Let's assess the knot and then get. Okay, fine. So we are good. We are good to go. I just guided the back. So now let's go to the main. Let's remove this. Let's move this thing. Okay, so this is just where is this from? Yeah, where is this from? Okay, so let's see. It's very important. Focused. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay. Wow, you can see what I said. Come, no, this is where I want you to view. Just come like this. Just come. First one, you can see. What is this? This is what you can see. So these are excess oil. Now, how did this oil get into this? You can see the gasket. What happened to this gasket? The gasket is burnt. So once you have a burnt gasket, the oil will come out and then seep in. And when there's excess oil here, it creates a problem within the piston. So we're going to clean up this. We're going to clean up this excess oil, and then clean up this excess oil, and then clean up the excess oil, and then then fix it back with the new gasket. Okay. Okay, the new gasket. So we've cleaned up the system. Now we brought in the new gasket, so we can set it up now and cover the system and then set. Well, we've cleaned up everything and fixed up and then we fixed up the new gasket. Whenever you're tightening your gasket, just always tighten it diagonally so that it gives a better square. And don't tighten it don't complete the tightening. Just okay. So this is okay now. This is well fixed now. Okay, so we'll now couple up other things and then we can start it and then have a nice try. Okay, so having coupled back the exhaust and then this, let's just have let's start and see. Let's hope that there is still some fuel in the carburetor. If there's no fuel, then let's put on the starter.